We are approaching a town called Beaver, Utah. Very interesting town. The town itself is actually not that big. It's got like 300 people in it. What their claim to fame is this giant gas station, and we're going to go to it and show you what it's all about. We're going in a hole. Hang on. Okay. That's okay. We're in a hole. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children. I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
We're going to look at the giant beaver, some of the signs and some of the stickers that they sell, and use the bathroom and get back on the road. But I thought it'd be an interesting episode. I was going to do one on I-15 going south of the tiny home. Just a massive, I guess you could call it hill climbs that you're going to suffer, but I don't know. I just, I wasn't in the mood for it. I was more worried about Maggie's safety than anything else. So we're going to go to this place. It's a really, really cool place, guys. We're going to exit here in a minute to Beaver, Beaver, Utah. And I'm trying to remember where. I think it's that one. Yeah, it's that side. Okay, we're gonna get there. I'll be right back. Oh, hold on. Can you guys see that? I love Beaver. It was written on the sign up there. Did you see it? Oh crap, it's gone. Oh Lord. All right. Well, we'll be there in a second. The Beaver Central stop. You'll see in a second. Really? Don't expect people to actually be paying attention to what's going on over here. That's not going to happen. But we're going to pull in here to the I Love Beaver stop here. Tiny home can only park one place. All right. Let's go into High Country Fuels. Give Maggie a rest for a second. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Maggie has a short somewhere. But believe me when I tell you, that's the least of our problems. Alright. We'll give Maggie a sleepy rest here while we go into the... Okay. Well, oh, you know what? I whacked her and the keys were still in it. That's how long I've been driving for. Alright. Let's go in here and see if we can find ourselves some beaver. Actually, you don't have to look very far around here, do you? Tires of all sizes. I Love Beaver. There's probably this freaking A, man. People don't pay attention to where they're driving around here, so it's a redneck thing, I guess. But this is the Beaver sign here. I guess everyone kind of sits here and looks at it. And now you've seen it. If you want to sit your butt on it sometime, you can. I've already done that with my former compadre Heather, who is no longer on the Tiny Wonderland journey. Okay. You'll find pretty much everything you can think of is in here. Cups. You got well, sunglasses, names, Beaver magnets. Yeah, those are names. Okay. Hats. You got keychains, maps. It's pretty much a standard tourist trap. Sodas, beer. Somewhere around here is a bunch of Beaver signs. I don't remember where it is. T-shirts. I'm looking for the.
Kids that love price on profit.
I don't know where there's like another section of Beaver stuff here, but stuffed animals. I don't see beef jerky. They're really big on beef jerky, and this is like the real deal stuff here, not the cheap stuff. So, excuse me, you do have to navigate around, everyone, because this place is nuts. I didn't see any bumper stickers. Did I miss them? I see that. Huh. Well, I guess that's it. So anyway, that's pretty much the scoop, because I don't see. I was looking for the stickers. Either they're not selling them, or they are out of them, maybe? I don't know. Alright, anyway, that's pretty much all there is. So, from Beaver, Utah, this is Jay with Tiny Wonderland, and I will see you guys next time.